Markets work. Markets work, and you're probably smart. There's many of you, almost every one of my clients are smarter than I am about something. They do something really well. And besides that, they save. They created most of their success on their own. And we know markets work if you invest. I don't know which way the market will go next week. It could go down 20% or up 20%. I don't know. But I know the next 100% movement's up. That's what I believe. Because of freedom. The freedom for individuals to go out and create a widget in their garage that we don't even know we need, but once they create it, we all need it. And that's why our world today, if we go back 20 years, think what we did not have 20 years ago. You go back 40 years ago, nothing we have today existed 40 years ago. It's all new. Someone in a garage, someone in the basement, someone dreaming about things I can't even imagine how they dream. Create things that we all want. We're willing to spend thousands of dollars to get. The world's a great place, and you're a smart person, and you're successful. Can you do better with an advocate? You have your smartphone. You've got everything, all the information in the world. But you have someone to help you. How do you take the information out of the smartphone and make it best for you? How do we apply it? How do we control your emotions? God made you an emotional animal. How do we control that? Every decision you make, someplace emotions are in there. Do we know when or where? Without an outside voice, without someone looking at what you're doing, how are we going to be our best? I don't believe you can. Some of you do great. Some of you have done great. Some of you will do great. Could we do greater? Could we be better? Could we make sure we make less mistakes? I believe that. So as smart as you are, as successful as you are, as much as that cell phone is phenomenal, I think an advocate is a critical piece of your financial future.